Hey guys, Saturday morning, just happened to see this crowd of cars and thought I'd walk through and let you see what's going on. Some of the same cars we see on Friday nights, but I wonder if that red ZZ top looking job's gonna be here. I should have brought one of my cars. Whoop. This is actually a show, it looks like, where they got tags and entry stuff on the windows. Local church, Lutheran church, putting it on. Here's a nice looking Z28. Oh, I'm so fond of black. I would have preferred the old traditional Krager SS's instead of the more modern, but it sure is clean. Ooh. Come on, baby. This way. This way. Anytime you got a supercharger, it's good, right? This bad boy sounds pretty wicked too. I love the big Hoosiers. Then the little Minnie Mouse showing her butt. Ooh, that's clean. Ooh. Oh, I love that dash. That's gauges.
I don't know well enough. I can kind of ballpark.
Sorry, I'm going so fast. I got the dog in one hand and she's pulling on me, and I'm just trying to get through this. We were out walking and saw this. Somebody told me about it actually. So we just thought we'd come and check it out. Don't pull. 69. Man, that's almost a dead ringer as that other one. I like these wheels though. Is this yours? Got it when you were a teenager, right?
Yeah, right. It took me about 70 some years to find it.
Yeah. Really? Was this your dream machine?
More or less, yeah. Well, this is about the third.
Go with it? You want to share with my viewers? Tell me about this car. You said you waited 70 years for it.
I just turned 84 3 days ago.
Congratulations. Good job.
Yeah, I found it sitting in the shop here in town, all covered with dust. I traded a 41 Ford Deluxe Business Coupe for it, plus some money.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you have to repaint it or just clean it up?
This was painted in the 80s, back in the middle of Kansas.
When they had good paint, probably that PPG.
Yeah, enamel.
Yeah.
All over. But yeah, it's two-tone too, if you look close.
I'll go around to the front. So you just walking by and saw it in somebody's garage, or was it advertised?
Oh, I asked the guy if he wanted to sell my coupe, and he says, I got something sitting back there you probably are interested in. It was it. That's original factory wood.
Oh my goodness.
Hickory, maple, black walnut.
I thought they had metal running boards.
Well, they did.
Yeah.
But that was replaced with.
Oh, okay. Okay. Original by when whoever built it.
That's the original top, and it's not a convertible. They only made a few of these, so that's why it's very, very rare.
So is this what they call a cabriolet?
No.
No?
Sport coupe.
A sport coupe. See, these are the details that my viewers like to
What's your
get.
viewers? What?
Oh, I got a YouTube channel, TheEZGZ, and got quite a few subs, and I've got like 700 videos up, and mostly Volkswagen stuff.
Yeah,
but I've always been a Ford man.
That's all original. Hickory.
Yeah, I had a 1930 Model A pickup, and it was in pretty bad shape. And I remember dealing with Bert's early Ford. I actually joined the Ford Motor Club there, down in Denver. I lived down there, and I seen, you know, the wood kits, and there was so much wood in them. Matter of fact, I don't remember where I brought it. It was in the 80s, but I brought it up here to Loveland, and they had a big dip tank, and they put my whole body in there.
That was out on West 34.
Was it? Okay.
By the candy shop.
I can't remember, but when I got it back, you know, the wood was still in there and soaked in that muriatic acid? I forget,
yeah.
some kind of acid bath.
Muriatic.
And man, you could see all these little swirls and things in the steel, and I was scared to death taking it home because I saw rain clouds, you know, and I thought, man, this thing is down to the bare metal. I had a few holes where I didn't see them before I took it, you know, but
Now see, the fenders are 56 Lincoln metallic copper, 77 Pontiac metallic maroon.
wow. Now, did somebody here locally build this?
No, it was built in Kansas,
Is that right?
middle of Kansas.
Nice.
Painted in the 80s. That's how old the paint is.
I love the louvered, what do they call that?
Awning type deal.
Shade or something?
It's
Now-
small block 400.
How do you feel about having all that flat glass? Do you get a lot of reflections? No?
It's copper coated. Copper.
Okay, okay, yeah. Tinted.
Power windows, tilt wheel.
The tinted stuff, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it sure keeps it cooler and makes it last longer on the inside.
Original nickel plated bumpers yet.
Wow.
It's over 400 horsepower, 2 4-barrel carburetors,
Now, that
cam dish top.
that front axle looks almost homemade.
Look what?
That front axle looks homemade.
No, it's 5.5 inch drop.
That's the way they did it, huh?
Yeah.
It's not just somebody.
No, that,
See that? That's a 5.5 inch drop. She stopped pretty good and straight.
yeah, it's disc front brake.
What year is this?
30.
30. Chevy Sport Coupe.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. It's always fun to hear the backstory, even if he wasn't the original builder. 84 years old, man, and he's still got the pedal to the metal. Oh, good. Oh, the hood wasn't up on this the other day when I shot this. I don't think I posted the video. I just kind of ran through someplace quick. And, whoop. Yeah, a little small Chevy. 34, 3-window coupe. Wow. Cutie. Love the Kragers. Boy, that's a lot of wind resistance on that windshield. Whew. Let's see, I like that tire pattern. These are those flame jobs, I think. I've seen these. What do they call them? Mickey Thompson, of course, but that flame tread pattern is kind of what I liked. And I read mixed reviews on them. Some guys said they just couldn't get them balanced, but you know, things change, and we'll go around the back of it here. Man, talk about small. And his gas tank's probably right there. I bet my dune buggy's got as much room. Don't have as much power. I think I'd do better off-road. I saw this one the other day, just driving by it. That little Baja. I gotta go over and talk to that guy. Found the owner, Terry Smith. He's gonna give us a little photo shoot and this backstory on this. This was originally a wrecked car. This is Terry, and
this was the day I got it. I mean, this is kind of how it went about.
Oh my goodness, you did. You done good.
Thanks. It took me a little over 2 years to do it.
Oh man. Now, was this a home build?
Oh, I had an auto detail shop here in Loveland for almost 20 years, and so a buddy and I just kind of did it on the side.
I saw your little sticker back there. I'd have to own something like this for a long time before I started using it for its original intended purpose as a Baja. Gosh, you just...
I ended up having Mike Guthrie did the paint work for me. And
now where's he at?
He was a painter at Ozzy's body shop for a while.
Oh.
And stuff, and then Ozzy's let me use our paint booth on a Sunday, and Dennis told me we could use the booth, but had to be out of there by Monday morning's business.
Cool.
So just got it in and out of there.
That's just a base clear?
It's a PPG color.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a factory Ford color, and then we just kind of threw in a little extra blue and red pearl to kind of tweak it a little more.
Now I've been told that they've taken a lot of the good stuff out of the paints. They don't make them the same as they used to, but hopefully this one will hold up for you.
This car's been done since 1998.
Oh, okay. But it probably doesn't spend just showtime outdoors.
No, it's in my garage.
You built this thing that long ago.
Yeah. Yep, it's been done since 98.
12 years. Gee, and then Christmas. You should get out there on some dirt roads.
My wife would have my butt if I put it on a dirt road.
That is funny. Oh.
Yeah.
I kind of figured it was something like that, but you've done good for this long. You must have a special garage to keep it in.
Well, keep it right next to my wife's little Ford Escape.
But she was supporting you the whole deal.
Oh yeah, well I had this all done before I married her, so.
Oh, okay. She just married you for your car, you know that, Ben.
Yeah, right. But it's been around. I mean, we take it up to Bandamere to the Bug Fest.
Yeah, that's up on July 25th this year.
Yep.
I'm thinking about maybe setting up a little booth.
Are you?
Yeah.
That'd
And just
be cool.
do a meet and greet and kind of maybe bring a couple of carburetors to help people that, you know, there's a lot of new people coming into the Volkswagen scene. And it's getting popular again.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to deal with Al from Al Bugs Me and stuff when he was over in Fort Collins.
I think I bought something from him at Volkswagen's on the Green a couple of years ago.
Yeah. Before
Before COVID.
Yeah, Al was at...
BC, before COVID.
Yeah, that's what I call this, BS, before stuff. No, it's fun.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I'm going to be building another one. I got a 68 that I'm going to do a rat bug out of.
Nah, you're talking.
An open fender car, and
Yeah.
put a 1641 in it.
Well, thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. TheEZGZ out.